Hi, kiddo friends!
Let's count today. Add and take away. 1, 2, 3. Add it up, take it down. Kiddo helps you all around. Easy, fun. Let's go. Count with Kiddo. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 take 1, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 take 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 6 take 3, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 take 4, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 take 5, 3. Add it up, take it down. Kiddo helps you all around. 7 plus 6, 13. 10 take 4, 6. 9 plus 5, 14. 12 take 3, 9. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 take 6, 9. 6 plus 9, 15. 13 take 4, 8. 11 plus 4, 15. 18 take 9, 9. Add it up, take it down. Kiddo helps you all around. 8 cookies, eat 3. 5. 14 plus 5, 19. 12 toys, give 7. 5. 20 take 11, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 15 stickers, use 6.